tool haul. I stopped by Harbor Freight. I picked up a few things, so let's get into it. Alright, so first up, of course, always free item with the flashlight. Picked up some more Teflon tape. Used all mine doing the caddy. Had a problem with the drain plug on the new radiator. That thing was leaking. They just don't make things like they used to. And got some permanent thread locker. Don't really have any of that. This was like, I think, I'll say $1.99. Yeah. A little utility knife, the snap ones. It's like 59 cents. And some refill blades. I like to use those blades on like decals and whatnot. Next up, got this E-clip assortment. Got to replace a couple of E-clips on the air grabber hood on my dad's car. Pretty soon I'll be doing a video of that, showing you the final product. It's pretty much like 80% there. You know, we got it going, and just a couple clips got to replace. And pretty sure this set has a few of them. So, I just wanted to try these out. These are the stainless steel cable ties. Don't have any of these. Figure they're a lot stronger, last longer, especially throughout the winters. Gotta tie up anything. These were cable ties were $6.99. The E-clips were $6.29, originally $6.99 with a 10% off coupon. I got the digital caliper. This reads fractional and decimals. So, yeah. This was originally $19.99. Got it for $9.99 with a coupon, $10 off. And I used the 20% off coupon for the metric tap and die. I don't have a set of tap and dies for metric, so I got this for $16.50. No, it was originally $16.50. I got it for $13.20. So for 13 bucks, not bad to have on hand. Yeah. Even if they aren't the greatest, that's for sure. But it is a lifetime warranty, so if it any breaks, it's going right back. It's nice that it comes with an extra battery. Thumbnail, change it, inches, fractions, millimeters. Yeah, it's all steel body. It's nice. I have another one, but that's like composite. So I figure for 10 bucks, definitely not bad. I also picked up this little heater for the garage. It's getting cold. So, yeah, eventually I still want to do the that video on the GTX before it actually first snowfall. So I'll definitely try to get that up. Look forward to that, and also the Roadrunner video, the new hood and all that. So yeah, until next time, guys. Later.